Hello,
हेलो
what is up?
हेलो 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 आप जो मेरी तारीफ कर रहे थे वो मैं सुन रही थी तो मैंने कहा ओके
Hmm.
लेट्स गो ऑन फॉर अ लिटिल व्हाइल.
See, that was the whole point. That was the whole point. Mithila, welcome to Instant Bollywood, and thank you so much for doing
थैंक यू सो
this.
मच. Thank you for having me.
How are
Sorry,
you doing?
I'm great. I just finished my Kathak class, so I'm tired and
We,
was
we,
like
we see those Instagram posts, huh? मतलब जहाँ पे you're like, I love this glow. I know you've been working out, you've been dancing, all of those things. So amazing. But मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ मिथिला पहले तो let me just allow me in fact to tell you कि everybody and actually I'll say all the guys especially all of my friends have WhatsApped me because all of my friends got to know that I'll be speaking to you today, and everyone said please tell her I love her, please tell her I love her. So to all of from all of my guy friends, this is to you, that they all love you, they're huge fans and
thank you.
admirers, and so am I, and I'm so happy that I'm getting to speak to you today.
Thank
um,
you. Thank you for having me over. I love to. I'm a very chatty person, so I love to meet new
we are
people and
happy, we are happy.
great.
Tell me, Mithila, quarantine, you're self quarantined right now. Where are you mentally, headspace wise? Where are you right now? Because I know that you have been occupied with your Kathak, and I'm sure you have occupied yourself somehow. But how are you feeling? Are you like done with it now? कि बस खत्म हो जाए और मैं बाहर चली जाऊं? Yeah, you're like, okay, you know what? I'm okay with it. I'm okay staying at home.
No, I usually oscillate between both those feelings. I usually feel like चलो यार मतलब there are days when I feel like चलो अब बस करो अब घर से निकलना है, and then there are days when I feel like कि नहीं यार ये तो ठीक है मतलब how
Hmm.
many times do you get a chance, like I am staying with my grandparents, so I'm just like how many times do I get a chance to spend so much time with them, because
For sure.
you know when I'm working I am never at home. Like most of the times,
Yes.
I'm never at home because I mean, either I come back home when they have slept, or I leave the
Yes.
house they still haven't woken up. So I barely get to see them. So that way, I'm making the most of this time, and I'm getting to spend all this time with them. But obviously, there are days because I am the kind of person who can't not do anything. Like I'm
Yeah.
a person. So I can't sit at home and I mean there are days when I think it's okay to do that, but I it makes me more anxious to not do anything. So it can be anything. It can
It
even
can
be
be
like
anything, for sure.
watching a movie or something like that. But I just need to be active. I can't
You just need to be engaging in something or the other.
something. Yeah.
Amazing. On that note, speaking of your grandparents, I know you're very close to them. And, I am not just a pseudo admirer, Mithila. I am a huge admirer. So, मैंने अपना research बहुत सालों से शुरू किया हुआ है. Because, of course, you've been present online in so many different ways. And, as your admirer, I think मैंने आपको बहुत जगह, I've read your interviews, I've seen your interviews on YouTube. And I saw this particular interview of yours where you give us a tour into your house where your grandparents live, and you show us your little mandir and all of those things. So I want to know, from your Instagram, we got to know कि आपने Australia का trip भी लिया था for about 14-15 days. And that's when the whole COVID situation got a little worse. And then you had to come back. So what was it like? Because I think I'm sure you had to, because your grandparents are living with you. So you had to like, did you stay separately, isolate yourself separately for a couple of days? What was it like?
So when everything went crazy, I was in Australia, and the minute we realized that this is going to go out of control, we just immediately almost decided to leave because we were like, this is not a good idea. अगर हमें वापस at least मुंबई में एंट्री मिलनी है तो वी हैव टू लीव हियर इन टाइम.
Like right now,
So
yes.
जैसे ही the first flight out that we got, we took it and left. But by that time, they had already passed that circular that there will be certain countries that if you come from here, then you will be quarantined. And if you travel, you have to self quarantine. मतलब there is no other option.
For
Now,
sure.
when they checked us at the airport, obviously हम सब ओके थे, हमें कुछ तब तो सिम्टम्स थे नहीं, तो दे लेट अस गो. But like they say that the incubation period of the virus is
It's
14
about
days. So
14
you have
days.
to
Yes.
isolate yourself for 14 days. And I had to come meet my grandparents either way. But then I knew that I have to give myself that time of 14 days to figure out if I am infected or not.
Of
बिकॉज वो
course.
सिम्टम्स जल्दी से दिखते नहीं है, तो 14 दिन का टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर वेरी ओल्ड, 84 and
Yeah.
93. So I
Touch
had
wood.
I had decided that I did not want to take any risk with them. So
Yes.
my grandmother, however, was like, because she was so eager to see me,
Like आ जाओ यार, कोई
even
बात नहीं.
आई मीन इवन, हाँ हाँ वही कह रही थी वो कि अच्छा ठीक है, तेरे मन के लिए ना, तू तेरे लिए 2 दिन में वापस आ जा, 2 दिन तू रह लेना, जा रहना है, लेकिन 2 दिन में वापस आ जा। तो मैंने कहा नहीं, ऐसे नहीं चलता है ये, दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट
Absolutely.
वर्क्स। बट
Yeah, that is how it works.
हम
But
रोज
14
वीडियो
दिन तो
कॉल्स कर
लगेंगे.
रहे थे, एंड शी लिटरली एवरी सिंगल डे शी वाज टेलिंग मी, हाँ बस हो गया अब आ जा, अच्छा 1 वीक हो गया ना, 7 दिन तो हो गया, अब आ जा। So I said, as much as you want me to come there, I also want to come there equally badly. But let's just wait for those 14 days to pass. Then I was video calling with her. She was teaching me how to make certain things.
God
तो
bless
मजे
video
तो आए,
calling. I think उसने हम सबको बचा कर रखा हुआ in these crazy times.
बिल्कुल बचा कर रखा है।
Yeah.
मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अगर वीडियो कॉलिंग, अगर ये जो अभी हुआ है, अगर कुछ
Yeah.
सालों पहले हुआ होता, तो
I don't
पता
know
नहीं
how we
हम
would
सब
have
क्या
survived.
करते।
Yeah. Also, Mithila, tell me. Also, again, referring to the same interview that I had watched, because I think that interview really gave me an insight into a little better into what you are in real life. Because I think जब हम आपके
I
shows
can't
देखते हैं,
hear you for some reason.
hello, am I
Not very
audible now?
clearly.
Is that okay? Wait 1 second. Is audible now? Hello, Mithila, am I audible? Guys, let us know if you are. Hello, Mithila.
हाँ,
Can you
now I
see me? Can you hear me?
yes.
Okay, cool, awesome. So, again, like I said, referring back to the same old interview that I've seen of you, I think, of course, we see you in the shows that you do, we see you in movies, but I think lives like these or maybe interviews like these give us a little more insight into what kind of a person you are. And उस इंटरव्यू में आपने बोला था कि आप बचपन से ही यू वर दिस पार्ट लाइक लाइफ ऑफ द पार्टी. जब भी घर पे कुछ फंक्शन होता था, you used to be told कि चलो पोएम सुनाओ. Like every Indian kid would relate to this because I think parents को होता है कि हमारा बच्चा कुछ परफॉर्म करके दिखाए. And whenever there's a family type setup, you like चलो डांस करो, चलो ये करके दिखाओ. So tell me, ये जो I won't say acting का कीड़ा, but being the entertainer in any form, क्या ये वहीं से शुरू हुआ और was it just incidental कि भाई चलो अब कुछ तो लाइफ में करना है, and this was just like because I got some offer and I started doing, because you also mentioned in that कि आपने कॉलेज में थिएटर से शुरू किया. So what was it like?
मैं बचपन से, लाइक यू राइटली सेड, आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड. बहुत ज़्यादा रिसर्च किया है आपने. बट बचपन से ही मैं हाँ, मतलब मुझे वो ऐसे सिंगिंग और डांसिंग का काफ़ी शौक था. वो मैं थी और हमेशा से थी. I went through phases when you grow up and you go through these awkward growing up phases also, ना, कि you don't want to socialize so much.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
लेकिन वही वो साल होते हैं जब every parent wants to show you off. If you have a talent, parents will be like, अरे बेटा गा के दिखा.
Yeah.
Those, it's just so incidental, like उन्हीं वो awkward years में your parents want to show you off. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था कि obviously through those awkward years I used to feel like I used to hesitate a little bit, but if it was center stage, then I was like, what the heck, let's just do it. But when I was even younger, I used to be the one who used to say, नहीं आओ मैं entertain करती हूँ आपको, यहाँ पे आप बैठो. तो मैं ऐसे 4-4 मिनट में, now if you're obviously dancing at a competition or something, nobody dances for 4 minutes. पर मैं 4-4 मिनट के गाने पूरे परफॉर्म करती थी. तो मेरी मासी, तो वो जमाना था वीडियो कैम वाला, तो वो आती थी तो उन्हें सब रिकॉर्ड करना होता था because memories. So she was one day, I remember, very very excited about, okay, you dance now, because I collected everybody. So she got the video camera to record me and I just wouldn't stop, and she was just like, okay,
we are done.
Okay, बहुत हो गया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा कर लिया, अब रुक जाओ. And I remember this so clearly because very recently also she was here in December And we were remembering all those times, and she had those clips, and she was
And
like,
you were like, I'm not stopping.
no, she was like, do you remember this? And I said, you know what? I do remember it, but now I remember it as an embarrassing moment. Back then, I didn't think it was embarrassing at all.
Yes,
So,
yes.
this is just a random kissa that I shared. But long story short, yes, वैसे तो दिल में तभी से ही था कि मुझे यही करना है. लेकिन
Of course.
there was nobody in the family or no close associate of ours
Yes.
was part of the entertainment industry, so none of us knew how to go about it.
Of
And
course.
which is why I think that was also another part that scared my grandfather a little bit, and especially when you come from a, Maharashtrian family,
Of course. Of course.
conservative Maharashtrian family. Nobody, the first answer is not, it's very rare. One
Yeah,
out
it's
of
very rare.
time कि तुम्हें बोला जाएगा कि अच्छा बेटा एक्टिंग करना है कर
हाँ,
लो.
just go about it. We are there. We there. पहला ये होता है कि बेटा, are you sure? Because ये entertainment industry ऐसी है. कैसे होगा? We don't have any contacts.
Correct. And my grandfather's deal always was that I should finish my education and do whatever I want to do. So,
That is very important.
we had a great deal between us. So I said, चलो मैंने education तो graduation तो खत्म किया है. अभी now it's my turn to do what I want to do. And he agreed.
Amazing.
He was like, ठीक है, you finished this challenge now. Okay, I will take this up. And but it
Amazing.
was scary, and I understand from his point of view also. It's scary because when you enter a world that's so unknown to you, you don't know what to anticipate. लेकिन मैं पहली बार स्टेज पर गई जब मैं 12 साल की थी, पर स्कूल के इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन में, और तभी एज एन एक्टर,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
मतलब I went on stage when I was 12, and I was like, ये जो मजा आ रहा है मुझे पहले कभी नहीं आया है. और ये दैट आई थिंक वाज लाइक माय यूरिका मोमेंट कि यार ये कुछ जो मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रही हूँ जो भी, that is definitely something that's making me very happy, and I definitely want to pursue this. So I think it started from there. वो कीड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ा शुरू हुआ. Then in school it was just done under the pretext of अरे extra curricular activity है स्कूल की,
चलो कर लेते हैं ऐसे ही. हाँ, ऐसे.
प्रोफेशनली करने का कभी भी दिमाग में था नहीं until I went out of college and I said, maybe I do want to do this. But yeah, I did start with a youth theatre festival. I was volunteering for it, and after I finished my graduation, I was working on it as one of the festival managers. And so it's a youth theatre festival, so it's run by people who are 25 and under 25, and then even the performers are 25 and under 25. So for a year I was behind the scenes, and that made me crave even more to be on stage, because मैं देख रही थी कि इतने बढ़िया सब performances कर रहे थे, that I was like, what am I doing here? Why
Yeah,
am
I have to do that.
on that
Yeah,
event?
of course.
And especially when they were all my age, right? Because they were all
Yeah, like all in the same age group, तो आपको ज़्यादा भी लगता है कि यार, if they can do this, why cannot I?
आधे लोग कॉलेज में थे, तो मैंने कहा यार मैं कॉलेज में ये सब क्यों नहीं कर रही थी? Like why wasn't I doing this when I was in college? But yeah, I mean, like I felt bad that I didn't discover it earlier, but better late than never, I think. So yeah.
Also, I want to ask you, like, you also mentioned that, there was a deal between your grandfather and you, that, he was insisting that आपको अपनी education complete करनी है. And then, I also ended up watching your TED Talk recently, not yesterday, but like a month back, and it's still so fresh in my mind. It's one of the best TED Talks I've heard. Guys, if you're watching this right now, make sure after this live, go to like Mithila's TED Talk and watch the entire video. It's superb. It's very inspiring. And in that video, you said, which makes a lot of sense and put things into a lot of perspective, कि, somebody like you who just, has this fire of doing something into the entertainment industry. वो किसी तरीके से भी, because like you said, बचपन में dancing भी होती थी, a family camp पे आपको record भी किया जाता था, and then, later on you realize, okay, maybe a play, a theater play, or maybe getting into a web series, or maybe getting into a YouTube video with something. Whether it was a cup challenge that you did, which just blew like anything. So, and you also mentioned one specific line in your TED Talk. You said, it's so important to be in the radar. If you're an inspiring actor, to be seen, to be talked about, to be heard. Do you think sometimes it is a pressure, and it is also a disadvantage that you're not coming from a I mean, I don't want to get into nepotism, but do not have any filmy contacts. तो आपके बारे में वैसे चर्चा करना आपको, you have to really put in that extra effort sometimes to be seen or heard or be talked about. Do you sometimes think it just gets you like overwhelmed, or it gets you कि भाई ये बहुत heavy हो रहा है?
I mean, it is overwhelming because even when you're not working, you're working, right? In that sense.
Of course.
When you're not
Of course.
acting, you're still trying to socialize or network or however you want to put it.
Yes.
And it does get a lot, but I feel like I don't put myself under too much pressure. Like I do what I do
That is great. Yeah.
at my pace, because I think if I force myself to do things, then I will not be myself, which is a great loss. I think for me only. Like I feel like if I lose an essence of me in doing something that I'm not very keen on, then there's no point.
It's not
Because
worth it. Yes.
because I'm not able to give my 100%. So if I absolutely do believe in something, it's similar with the way I function with my social media also.
Of course.
I am myself. I don't know any better. This is who I am. Like
I think even when I see your Instagram feed, it's a mix of magazine covers, photo shoot pictures, basic natural pictures, then just random things, and I think that is also like very refreshing. I think also because you come predominantly your recognition in public has come from your digital work also, which we're going to definitely come to. So मुझे लगता है कि I think maybe that is also the reason. But when I go through your Instagram feed, it's not like, oh, I have like these perfectly clicked pictures all the time and the feed has to look a certain way. It's just Mithila doing randomly anything that she feels like it. And I think that's very, very refreshing and nice to see. But also, tell me, quickly, I want to address a couple of questions that people have been asking in the live. आप मेरे को quickly बता दो, because let's just get this out of the way. People, when we put up the story on Instagram that we're going to be speaking to Mithila, a lot of people asked two very, questions that were always there. One was,
एक तो मैं बताती हूँ, Little Things season 4 कब आ रहा है?
yes, let's just talk about it. Let's just spill the bean. Just tell us. आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है, कब आ रहा है, बता दो यार, थोड़ा सांस आए हमको.
हमें नहीं पता यार. I wish we knew. Just yesterday, I was talking with the makers of the show, and I was like, "यार, I've done enough interviews in this quarantine to tell you confidently that everybody only now has one question to ask me every time I go live."
Yeah.
So I don't think they care about anything. They don't care about what I'm doing in quarantine or whatever. But they just want to know if Little Things is happening. So we need an answer. And he said, yeah. He was also equally helpless. He said, अभी तो ये लॉकडाउन में मैं क्या ही बताऊँ तुम्हें कि क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, मैं कैसे बताऊँ. जब तक ये नहीं हटता, जब तक हम सब नॉर्मलाइज नहीं कर लेते, अब हमारी तब तक नहीं चलेगा. So sorry guys, I'm very sorry. I don't know if there is a repeat audience here somewhere where I have only been saying I don't know, but I really don't know, yeah. Because if I had an answer, I would be more than happy to give it. Little Things is as close to my heart as it is to you guys. So,
somebody also,
we'll tell you.
Somebody had also written in the story, like when they were asking questions, they were like, Mithila, like I could read his tone. Mithila, don't keep little secrets. Tell us when Little Things 4 is coming. I was like, that's almost like reprimanding Mithila. But anyway, also tell us, people, especially girls, have been like, how do you take care of your beautiful curly locks? So any just quick tip to them कि भाई क्या करो कि हमारे भी ऐसे आपके जैसे खूबसूरत बाल हो जाए.
I think the secret is don't use your comb in dry hair. Like if your hair is like this, then don't use your comb because that opens up your curls. When you're washing your hair, whatever, now hair types are different. Your curls can be dry curls, they can be oily, anything. Like it depends on your hair type. So I don't know what shampoo or conditioner you guys use, and this is for curly hair in general, okay? It's not just for girls. Whoever has curly hair and wants to maintain. Whenever you're conditioning your hair, just make sure that you untangle your hair with your fingers. And once you pour water and wash everything off, do not touch your hair with a comb. Maybe comb your hair when you've conditioned it, but don't like open your curls. That's it.
That's tip certified by Mithila Parker. Also, tell me, coming back to your work on digital platforms, Mithila, I feel like I have seen you from New Girl in the City to Little Things to all of your little videos, whether it was on your channel, the cup video, I've seen it all. So again, just clarifying, I am a huge admirer, genuine one. What do you think? Like, I feel like even Little Things की भी अगर हम बात करें ना, Little, I think people have really resonated with the entire series, whether it was season 1, 2 or 3. You know, बहुत लोगों ने पसंद किया, and I'm sure आपको तो DMs on a regular basis आते होंगे saying कि how every little scene you can just pinpoint and say ये मेरे साथ हुआ, या we can understand. It's not like an alien concept. It's like very relatable. So what do you think? Why is your character so likable? What is it in this character that you do, Kavya, in Little Things, that has made it like? Did you anticipate pehle to कि it will be like this, like the response that it's getting? And secondly, what differently did you do in this character acting wise? कि भाई ये ऐसा हो रहा है.
I don't think I did anything acting wise. I always, especially for Little Things, give the entire credit to the writer. So Dhruv's done a fantastic job since the beginning, and
Of course, 100%. The writing is impeccable.
and that's why as an actor I don't have to do much. Also, I think what happened with Little Things was because of the way we started making the show. It stemmed out of the 2 sketches that Dhruv and I were part of.
Yes,
on
yes.
And because it stemmed out of that, it was something that our characters were loosely based on, nahi, but they are the same characters, but obviously with some more characters in them.
Yes, some more graphs. Yes.
Some more graph, that's correct. And because they were like speaking our the language we speak. I'm not saying Hindi or Marathi. It's the our tone,
millennial language. Yes.
The way we speak. So,
Yes.
Meaning, for instance, when we were reading the first season, we did a table read. I was like, "यार काव्या तो तेरे तरह sound कर रही है," is what I said to Dhruv. Like,
Wow.
so he said, तुझे जैसे डायलॉग बोलना है तू बोल, तुझे ये जैसे लिखा है वैसे भी बोलना नहीं है, तो तुझे जो बोलना है तू बोल, as long as the gist of whatever we are trying to say comes out.
It's clear.
I'm happy
Yes.
for you to. So it was so organic, and it was so and also our growth as artists also has happened with the show. The show
Of course.
kept going. The first season was lapped up by the audience. They loved it. The second season was on Netflix. So now it's a Netflix original.
Imagine. Congratulations on that, by the way.
Thank you. And that's something that we couldn't fathom. And we were like,
Yeah.
"Oh, the minute it gets put on, it's going to be like put on Netflix. It's going to be accessible to what? 170 million subscribers. Like
The
just
diaspora
imagine-
suddenly just expanded like anything. Yeah.
Like, blew out of proportion in our heads, and we
Yes.
were just like, how do we catch up?
How
with
do we
this?
comprehend this?
and then as we were growing, our characters were also growing. So I think we've literally grown up with them. So we didn't really have to do much as actors, I would say, because.
But you know,
I'll
Yes.
tell you why.
Yes.
Like I said, I've grown up now with Kavya. I've grown up with her. Also, the first season Kavya I don't relate to at all. Then second season a little bit, and in the third season I realized that it was too scary and fun at the same time that I wasn't sure when I was slipping in and out of her on camera or off camera. So she has become so second skin to me कि तुम अभी एक दिन का scene अगर शुरू कर दोगे तो I can quickly get into her.
yeah, get into her. It's so close.
That close to me. I think that's why that's the only thing that probably has helped me.
That is amazing.
And Dhruv's writing is extremely mature and
Of
extremely brilliant. So yeah, that helped.
You know, I feel like you also said, you also have grown with every passing season. I feel like that is what I, as an audience, have also realized that, season 1 or season 2, and then season 2 or season 3, in terms of topics that you've touched, because of course these characters are growing, they are getting into jobs, there's life altering moments that have happened during the show to these characters. अब मुझे लगता है, the first season, if we compare it now to the third season, I'm not saying like for the lack of better term or explanation, I feel like first season was like very all-pervasive. I mean, say slightly, but जैसे कि third season में आते आते you really feel the texture of everything. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? मतलब third season मतलब it really gets complex. It
I think
really
the
is
first
real.
season was like a honeymoon phase of the
Yeah,
relationship.
yeah, maybe you can say that.
Then धीरे धीरे things every relationship goes through it ना कि पहले
Of
सब
course.
मस्त amazing beautiful cute कुछ भी करो तो cute लगता है फिर
Yeah,
reality starts hitting you कि okay now we are getting a little serious with this now it seems like
yeah,
we do want to continue to live together and it's
yeah.
always interesting to see so many relationships around you in your own life that or your own relationships where you see that obviously nobody is the same person they were 10 years ago or 10
Of
years
course.
ago like 3 years ago I am
Yeah,
a
मतलब अगर आपने एक साल पुरानी पिक्चर्स देखो आपको लगता है आप कितने बदल गए हो.
exactly so
Yeah.
now if you change and then you change either in sync with your partner or you can just grow in completely
Grow.
different directions
Yeah.
or you can grow in different directions and still be in sync it's different
It's complex.
combinations so I
It's
think
complex.
both of them are also exploring their relationship and figuring out what
And I think you have left the recent season at such a cliffhanger slash I don't know what is going to happen next. कि अब that is probably also the reason कि लोग कह रहे हैं season 4 कब आएगा क्योंकि it's like कि because when you really follow a series season by season तो फिर आपको होता है कि अब तो या तो पूरा देख लो या तो मतलब मार ही डालोगे तो it's ऐसी situation हो जाती है for
देखो
people who
हम
really
हमारे
are into it.
सोच सकते हैं ना कि अगर होता है फोर्थ सीजन तो देखो क्लिफ हैंगर है अगर नहीं होता है तो ओपन टू इंटरप्रिटेशन
Open to interpretation. Also tell me, Mithila, I know because of course, like I said, I've done my research, so I know you're very, again, for the lack of better, middle class like that. Like, I know you do your ghar ka kaam, you help your grandparents, with everything. But for people who do not know, people who think Mithila is this fun, loving actress, जो कि सिर्फ screen के ऊपर, she's always looking beautiful and pretty and doing these amazing characters. Tell us some of the middle class things that you're doing during this quarantine. क्या 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 करो? Are you doing the dishes? What is that?
yeah
What is that?
doing the dishes doing my clothes washing my clothes helping I mean helping grandmother cook meaning I can't help her really she's amazing but
Amazing, yeah.
learning how to cook I
Amazing.
think I was just talking to a friend yesterday and I said if there's one good thing that will come out of this quarantine is कि कल अगर अकेले रहने का मौका मिला या कभी चांस मिला तो चलो खाना
Survive कर सकते हैं, हो सकता है, कुछ तो हाँ, भूखे नहीं मरेंगे.
होएगा
Also, for all of the people watching right now, I have this amazing news. So, Mithila has done this project with Kajol. Which Mithila, please spill some beans, tell us some deets. हमें details चाहिए कि क्या है, कैसा रहा, पहले तो कैसा रहा, how was it working with Kajol? It's a Netflix series, I'm assuming. It's a Netflix film. It's a Netflix film. So tell us a little bit about it and your character and your working experience.
Oh, I can't. Sorry, not much about the characters. I can't reveal because
Okay.
we've literally not said anything about that anywhere. Also, it's nowhere close to release yet. It will release. But
Of course.
we've just stopped. I'm saying we just finished shooting in December, so it's too early to be speaking about anything. But I can definitely tell you that working with Kajol is like partying. Like
Really, really.
my kind of party. Like you just have to and go on set, and there will be laughter and jokes.
Amazing.
Lots of games we play. She got us every single person on the set, addicted to this game called Wordscapes. Every weekend, apparently, yeah, every Saturday now, I don't remember, but every Saturday, there is this tourney, that's a tournament
Okay.
among all the people who have Wordscapes on their phone. तो ये कोई भी हो, तुम अमेरिका में
करना
हो
ही पड़ेगा, खेलना पड़ेगा.
तुम खेल रहे हो तो हम सब ऐसे पागलों की तरह लगे हुए थे हमारे फोन पे और फिर there are 5 alphabets and then you have to make words so वो alphabets को देख देख के you get those words
ये
are
like कि
getting
हो क्या
jumbled
रहा
up
है,
in-
कहाँ पे
So
A क्या है, B क्या है.
we used to exchange phones so that at least we're looking at a new screen and finding new words. So we used to sit in a circle जैसे कट बुलाते जैसे सेटअप हो रहा है हम सब एक कोने में बैठ के सब अपने अपने फोन पे Wordscapes खेल रहे हैं. So she's a riot. She's a lot of fun to work with. Of course, the first 2 times I met her, I couldn't even look at her because I was just like, I was
In
like,
awe
yeah.
of her, yeah,
I
yeah.
was fully in awe of her because look at her, meaning I couldn't look into her eyes because I was like, yeah, I will to do this insane fangirling. I shouldn't. I should behave. And क्योंकि यार I'm a 90s kid. I've grown
Yeah,
up
Kajol
watching
has been a
movies.
part of our growing up, of course.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean
yeah.
like 90s, early 2000s. ये तो मतलब she has ruled those
Yes,
years
yes, yes.
and still continues to do that. Continues to rule our hearts. But I was like, यार इनको मैंने स्क्रीन पे देखा अब इनके साथ जो मेरा इरफान सर के साथ हुआ था वही मेरा काजोल के
Same.
साथ हुआ और बहुत मजा आया बहुत ज्यादा
Maze,
मजा
maze.
आया
Amazing, amazing.
and she's an
Also,
incredible actress like she doesn't need like she switches like this so
wow.
it's like यार ये कैसे क्या कर रहे हैं ये
Amazing, amazing. Tell me, Mithila, of course, it's a health crisis situation in our country. And I just wanted to quickly get this out of the way. I know there are, like I also mentioned it in the previous live that we did today at 4. I said, of course, I understand people are there in the essential services, like people in the police, in the security, in healthcare services. Maybe they're putting themselves in danger so that, we all can really be free from this pandemic. Like the delivery boys and everyone out there. But you as an actor, I know that you always stay occupied in one project or the other, right? तो आप मुझे ये बताओ कि अब क्योंकि आप लॉकडाउन में घर पर हो, so can you just pinpoint one positive thing that has happened even in these dark times, just to like put these things in a lighter, positive perspective? कि आपके
in
साथ
my
कोई
life
अच्छी, yes, yes,
I have quite a few things. I have learned how to cook. I
nice,
have
amazing,
I have started learning Kathak again. I
great,
used to learn. I'm given exams, so I used to like properly learn Kathak 3 years ago. I learned it for 3 years 3 years ago, and I gave like 3 exams. But the exam timings and then shoot timings and dates and everything started going all over the place. So
yeah,
I had to unfortunately discontinue class. And I felt very, very bad about it because Kathak is something I absolutely used to enjoy doing. And it's also a sense of discipline. I always knew that if I learn
of course,
dance, music, it'll always be classical dance and classical
of course,
music. You have
of
your
course,
base.
yes,
So I had started relearning that because my guru was sweet enough to agree to teach me online. So
amazing,
I have Skype sessions. So that's happened. I'm working out more often. I can almost do a handstand now.
oh nice,
So yeah, so
it's
there are a
great, it's
few
great.
fun things that have
Also,
happened.
also tell me, Mithila, from an audience, I think कि जैसा कि आपने बोला ना अपने वेब सीरीज के बारे में कि your characters have grown. I think in some way because you have also been a part of the entertainment business for quite some time now. So आपकी audience, including all of us, have also seen you grow and seen that graph from your first video where you do this cup challenge to now doing little things, to now working with Kajol and Ilfarka to doing Bollywood films. We have also seen कि यार, this girl we saw in one YouTube video once, and now look at her. Like, she's making everyone proud. But tell me, for you personally, कौन सा ऐसा पहला moment था that really made you feel like it was a pinch me moment कि भाई, yeah, like कुछ तो sense of accomplishment feel हुई उस moment.
Oh wow! Actually, there were lots of those little moments.
Little moments.
Very little, lots of them. Because my journey has been a very like unconventional one. I've never
Of
really
course.
like because I started on the internet, and not a lot of people know that I actually did Katti Batti before my internet career actually began.
Yes, of course.
So I worked with Nikhil sir, which was an incredible experience, and he is extremely sweet. Like everybody at MA is so sweet. They are still in touch with me. Always send me messages. Never forget to like send me a congratulatory message every time I have a release or anything.
Wow.
So, and they remember, and that's very, very sweet of them. So pinch me moments were every time an audition probably translated into actually working.
Getting
Like
a
every time
project.
yeah,
Yes.
every time audition work. Um, The cup song was actually a very unexpected thing.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Very unexpected. Like I just did it out of fun and then it blew out of proportion. And I really enjoyed that. But after that, the one thing that again, one other thing that I definitely wanted to do as an actor was to work in a Marathi film. So the cup
Oh,
song
yes.
led to that. So I did my first ever Marathi film called Muramba. So that was one of those pinch me moments.
I think that's one of the most beautiful films that I've also seen
Thank you.
in the quarantine. I've just recently watched
Oh,
it.
really?
It's beautiful. And I think you've done a fabulous job. Guys, if you've not watched it, you should definitely go. After the live, you know what? Just search Mithila's films, projects, web series. Take a list every day, check mark कि हमने ये देख लिया, ये देख लिया, ये देख लिया, and then come back to our Instagram and say, हमारा ये feedback है, हमें सब कुछ अच्छा लगा है. Give her all the love. But yeah, please continue.
That was one of the moments. Of course, sharing screen space with Irfan sir, Kajol has been like what the hell? Like how?
What the hell moments? ये हुआ क्या है?
how what is happening? So yeah, so lots of little joys.
I'm sure. Mithila, again, before I get into wrapping up this conversation, मैं कुछ चीजें जानना चाहता हूँ. I think हम जब आपकी लाइफ को देखते हैं, हम आपकी सोशल मीडिया लाइफ से ही जज कर पाते हैं कि how was it going. I think for audience हमारे लिए यही एक जरिया है to at least gauge के लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है. With your projects doing wonderfully well, so we get to know कि हाँ, she's happy, she's doing projects, she's getting these parts to play. But I'm sure the struggle is very less talked about. And I'm sure and I know that you also not talked about it. Like even in your TED talk, आपने कभी ऐसे नहीं बोला कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है, मैं तो इतने auditions दिए. I think you've always been very modest about your struggle. So tell us a little bit about in this entire experience, getting into the entertainment business without any contacts, building reliable, genuine contacts with people out of your work ethic, I think is something that kudos to you for doing that. But इस सब journey में आपके लिए सबसे challenging क्या रहा है? Whether it is, what did you sacrifice during this entire process?
I think the most challenging was to have my grandfather on my side because I was like, once that happens, once I have his support, like once I have my family
Yes.
support, then I can go ahead and conquer whatever. Then
Of course,
how
of
much
course, of
ever I have to fall, I will still pick myself up and go ahead with it. Getting him on my side was my biggest challenge. After that it took time to for auditions to translate into work. It took everybody's timelines are different. So I also took at least a couple of years, at least.
Of course.
Things to start rolling my way. I remember I started auditioning. Nothing was working out. Then I started getting callbacks about, okay, you've been shortlisted. So it felt like, okay, everything's discussed, budgets are discussed, dates are discussed, everything is okay, great. Okay, you've been shortlisted. Then nothing worked out. So ये भी face
बहुत मुश्किल होता है. And लोगों को नहीं पता ना मिथिला.
हाँ, that was my second phase. Okay, first phase was just auditioning, nothing was happening. Then, but you know what? That's the thing, which is what I learned later, that auditions and nothing is happening is one thing. Nothing is happening means that this project is not happening.
Of
But
course.
I put on so many databases. उसके आगे जो भी फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स बने, वो सारे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स फिर फोन करने लगे, फिर बुलाने लगे फॉर ऑडिशन, बिकॉज
Of course.
दे हैव यू ऑन देयर माइंड. सो
एटलीस्ट मतलब आपने वो जो स्ट्रगल किया वो अक्यूमुलेट डाटाबेस तो हो ही रहा था ना, वो इन द बैक में सोचा, बट यू एट दैट मोमेंट डोंट रियलाइज कि भाई क्या ही होगा, बट यू डोंट रियलाइज
सिर्फ बुरा लगता है कि अरे यार मेहनत तो कर रहे हैं ना, लेकिन कुछ फल नहीं मिल रहे इसके, तो
फल नहीं मिल रहा है.
because you don't see results, you feel like nothing's working, but that's not how it works. And especially in our industry or any other industry for that matter, why just in our industry, networking is a very important thing. तो ये सारे तुम networks ही build कर रहे हो कि people, you meet people, you maybe create an impression in whichever manner, but the people remember you and then they call you back. तो ये जो मैंने auditions किए which didn't work out, then started getting translated into shortlists and then they didn't work out, and then finally things like एक ad की, दूसरी ad की, तीसरी ad की, फिर Auditioned for Katti Batti, that worked out. Then the first video that I did for Filter Copy, the first show called News
Yes.
Darshan, I auditioned for that also. So everything was like I took the regular audition, get shortlisted or not, or wait in line, audition, whatever. So that the same path. Also, I don't think hard work is discounted for anyone. It doesn't matter who
Of
you
course.
are. Hard work
Of course.
doesn't, it's not a discount for anyone. So
Of course.
I
Of course.
genuinely feel like कि मैंने कितनी मेहनत की is करनी तो चाहिए is what I think.
करनी चाहिए, of course. हर फील्ड में ही होती है.
हाँ, तो मतलब करना तो पड़ेगा. मेहनत के बिना तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So I think
मेहनत के बिना.
so that's the thing with me. Like the reason I don't mull over those things is that they were all a learning, and if you like, that's what I've tried to say in my TEDx, that nothing will go to waste.
Of course.
If you keep experimenting with things, nothing goes to waste. Today, all those casting directors that I've auditioned for, still I still audition, by the way, and I still
Yes.
get called from the same all these casting directors who now maybe know me a little better than what they know
Yeah.
me as back then. But that's it. That doesn't mean कि ये पहचानते हैं तो मुझे रोल दे रहे. ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah. You have to be
But
good for the job. Yeah. On merit.
Correct. Because they know me, they will call me back for an audition because they know that maybe I fit this character's bill. They'll call me for an audition and things will work out. So you never know. Just don't give up. I just think कि जो करना है वो करते रहो. You
और मेहनत
never
करते
know
रहो.
what will work.
Of course, of course. And I think, and मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ after listening to this, I feel like, and why I also, began discussing this is because मुझे लगता है कि, and this is again from a admirer, I want all of you guys watching this right on, even if you watch this live after this ends and, it's saved in the stories, I want you guys to really go ahead and really support Mithila for two reasons, most predominantly. One is because she deserves it. She really deserves. She's worked hard. She deserves. She's a good actor. And अगर हम कुछ भी किसी भी तरीके का support कर सके, whether it's just showing her love and giving her honest feedback about her projects on her Instagram and all the social media platforms, I think that is one thing we should all do. And second of all, I think we should back her up because she's like one of us. She's started from ground zero and she's made her mark. So Mithila, many congratulations on that. Before we wrap this up, I have two important segments to do. So, I always try to make these interviews very positive and just to get you an insight into the guests that I'm speaking to. But there's this segment called Quick Answers with Mithila. So I'm going to ask you these quick questions and you have to answer these, give them in quick answers. Okay? Without thinking, बस जो मन में आए फट करके आंसर देना. I think it's very easy. ऐसा कुछ ज़रा मुश्किल नहीं है. I'm sure इतने important roles करने के बाद this is nothing. ठीक है? चलो. I'm gonna start with first question. Who was your first celebrity crush?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor. Okay. If you could raid one person's closet, whose it would be?
Alia Bhatt. This is very easy, huh? Alia Bhatt because I was like, यार ये एक तो सुंदर कपड़े तो पहनती है, सुंदर दिखती भी है, लेकिन she looks like somebody के हाँ इसके कपड़े में पहनो तो शायद
अच्छी लग सकती हूँ. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, tell me one actor in your bucket list that you still want to work with. Like I know you've worked with Irfan Khan, you've worked with Kajol. अब और लिस्ट में दो लोगों के नाम और बताओ.
Ayushmann and Vicky.
Ayushmann and Vicky. Ooh, okay. If you weren't famous, what would you be right now? Like if you weren't into an entertainment business, what would you be doing?
I think I would still be behind the scenes in somewhere in performing arts.
Amazing. मतलब मेहनत नहीं छोड़नी. This is one funda that everybody should take away from this life.
No, I've also realized कि ये question मुझे काफी बार पूछते हैं कि if not an actor, what would you be? और मैंने काफी बार ऐसे बोला है कि नहीं यार ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था मेरे लिए, मुझे सिर्फ एक्टिंग करनी थी. But I realized the answer was what I give is because I try to run away from acting because I didn't want to be a rebel and मैं घर छोड़ के जा रही हूँ.
घर पेरेंट्स के अगेंस्ट जाके मैं एक्टिंग ही करूंगी.
वो सब नहीं करना था मुझे as long as it was possible for me to do. जब मुझे realize हुआ कि मुझे acting करनी है, I definitely wanted to have a face-to-face conversation with my grandfather and tell him कि देखो मुझे ये करना है, मुझे कोशिश करने दो. अगर मैंने कभी जिंदगी में प्रोफेशनली एक्टिंग की नहीं है, अगर मुझे पसंद नहीं आया तो मैं खुद ही कुछ और ढूंढ लूंगी. But because I ran away from it for so long, it somehow managed to find me, and then I pursued it. So I'm like, clearly there was nothing else that I was meant. This is it.
But you know, Mithila, that also is so amazing because I want to say this कि like you said कि मैं acting कभी किया नहीं है professionally. Your training has been on the job. Every
Yes.
project you've done, you've learned from that project, apply that in the second project, and that's what you've learned. You've not like gone to a typical acting school, फिर वहाँ से acting course किया. ऐसा नहीं है. Given auditions, learned from the mistakes, and done that, which is amazing, super.
That's
Okay.
why I keep auditioning guys. Whoever wants to be actors, that's your story.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, what is the best compliment that you've ever received?
Oh, and I think when my grandfather wanted to learn how to look me up on YouTube, and then there were days when I was doing Girl in the City, he realized that okay, now she's doing some legit work. ऐसे नहीं है कि मुझे टीवी पे दिख नहीं रही है तो कुछ काम नहीं कर रही है, ऐसे नहीं है, कुछ तो काम कर रही है क्योंकि लोग लिख रहे हैं इसके बारे में, क्योंकि घर पे आर्टिकल आते थे या लोग फोन करके बोलते थे कि हमने इसका काम देखा. So he really wanted to see it, and that mattered to me the most. So he
Of course.
made an effort at 90. He made an effort to look me up on the internet, and that for
Go
me
on
was,
YouTube, really search and see it.
yes, and that really was a huge compliment for me because I remember sitting in my room and I heard scenes from Girl in the City from the other room, and I went there to see that my grandfather was watching it. So I was like,
Sense of पता क्या family जब validate करती ना, it is the most happiest feeling, I think.
Right.
Okay, last two questions. What is your instant mood lifter? Since we are on instant Bollywood, तो ये instant का question तो आना ही था. What is your instant mood lifter? If you're feeling down, depressed, sad, or low on certain music, what kind of music do you like?
music, though, I have a very random list. So it can range
Okay.
from classical to pop.
Didn't check Bollywood. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, what was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school, I think, was history and English.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, Mithila, I want to thank you for doing this for Instant Bollywood.
Thank you
It
for
was an
having me.
absolute delight to speak to you, to get to know so many things about you that otherwise हमें नहीं सुनने को मिलती हैं. Before I wrap this up, my last question that I ask all of my guests before they leave,
Yes.
जिसको I feel like that gives a little sense of and leaves the life on a like slightly positive, inspiring note. You know, मुझे लगता है कि हम सबके लाइफ में कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा थॉट रहता है या कोई ना कोई ऐसा एक कोट रहता है जो हमने कभी पढ़ा हो या किसी ने हमें बताया हो, किसी टीचर ने, किसी बड़े ने, जो हमारे दिमाग में ना टैटू की तरह रह जाता है कि whenever we have to refer to something inspiring, we go back to this line or go back to this thought. आपकी लाइफ में what has been that one thought that has really kept this fire going?
I have not read it somewhere, but it's somehow just been my motto to be happy and make happy. That's been
Wow.
my
It's simple and classic.
it's been my perpetual resolution. Okay, if you can bring a smile to someone else's face, that will bring a smile to your face automatically. So be happy and make happy.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mithila, for
Thank
being
you for
the
having me.
absolute sweetheart, always, forever. And I wish you कि इस quarantine खत्म होने के बाद you and your grandparents and your entire family comes out healthier and happier
Yes.
with bigger smiles.
Thank you.
And I hope कि all of the projects, like I mentioned, इस life के खत्म होने के बाद ये नहीं कि तुम्हारी responsibility खत्म हो गई है. पहले Instagram पे जाके मिथिला को follow करो, फिर Google के जाके search करो कि मिथिला ने कौन सी films, web series, videos की हैं, सारी जाके देखो. And show her all the love coming back on Instagram. And Mithila, again, thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was an
Thank
absolute
you. Be
delight.
safe.
And I'll
also
see you
be safe.
very, very soon.
And, hopefully, we'll meet very, very soon. Yes.
Awesome, awesome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Have a great night. Bye.
You too. Bye bye.